the exercise 1.1 fourth Roman. First of all, read the problem carefully and understand, then we can solve it. So let's go to the problem. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. For example, let a be the any positive integer, then the square of positive integer is a square is of the form 3m, or the square of any positive integer 3m plus 1. Now we are going to show that a square is equal to 3m or a square is equal to 3m plus 1, where 3m can be written as 3m plus 0. So 3m plus 0 and 3m plus 1 are in the form of bq plus r. So b is equal to 3 and r is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2, because where r is less than b in the condition of Euclid division lemma, that's why we take r is less than b. So b is equal to 3, then r is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2, and let a be the any positive integer. I already told you why we are taking a is the positive integer. So the solution is let small a be the any positive integer and b is equal to 3 and r is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2. From Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b, give to the equation number 1. Now take case 1. Let b is equal to 3, r is equal to 0. Then now substitute b value and r value in Euclid division lemma, that is equation number 1. So from equation number 1, a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. That implies a is equal to b means 3 into q, r means 0. The condition is 0 less than or equal to r means 0, less than b means 3. That implies where a is equal to 3q. A is nothing but any positive integer, but in the problem the square of any positive integer. That's why now squaring on both sides, because we want the square of the any positive integer, that's why squaring on both sides. That implies a whole square is equal to 3q whole square. That implies a square is equal to, the square also belongs to both 3 and q, so 3 square into q square. That implies a square is equal to 3 square means 9 q square. That implies a square is equal to, in 9q square there is 3 is common. Now common 3 3s are 9 into q square. That implies a square is equal to 3m. Since let 3q square is equal to m, give to the equation number 2. Now take case 2. Let b is equal to 3 and r is equal to 1. Then again substitute b value and r value in Euclid division lemma, that is equation number 1. So from 1, a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. That implies a means positive integer, b means 3 into q, r means 1. Where 0 less than or equal to r is 1, b is 3. Where a is equal to 3q plus 1, a means positive integer, but we want the square of positive integer, that's why we take squaring on both sides. That implies a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. So a square is equal to, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is equal to 3q, b is equal to 1. Now substitute 3q plus 1 whole square in a plus b whole square, that is a square. A means 3q whole square plus 2ab, 2 into a means 3q, b means 1, plus b square, b means 1 whole square. That implies a square is equal to 3q whole square means 9q square plus 2 3 that 6 into 1 6, 6q plus 1 square means 1. In these two terms 9q square 6q, there is 3 is common, so now common 3, so 3q square plus 2q plus 1. That implies a square is equal to, now let 3q square plus 2q be a m plus 1. Since let 3q square plus 2q is equal to m. Give to the equation number 3. So from equation number 2 and equation number 3, a square is equal to 3m, a square is equal to 3m plus 1, where a is any positive integer. So a square means the square of any positive integer. So finally we conclude that from equation number 2 and 3, the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. This is the solution of exercise 1.1 4th Roman.